Hey, my name's Jared. I'm an occupational therapist and a lymphedema therapist, and this is my review of this stand-up paddleboard. I did a lot of reviewing of paddleboards before I actually purchased this device, as I wanted to make sure that it was safe, because I do like to use the paddleboard outdoors in the ocean and in lakes. This setup here had everything that we needed. It came with the paddleboard. It came with an adjustable fin that's removable. It came with a waterproof dry bag, the leash, so that way the paddleboard won't be lost if you're at sea. It also came with a waterproof phone case, two paddleboard holders, the stand-up paddleboard pump as well, which I found to be really helpful, and also a repair kit. This paddleboard also came with a 1-year warranty, which was great. We haven't needed the warranty at all. With this paddleboard, this is actually my girlfriend's, and she's actually able to use it very easily to carry it into the water, and you'll see her actually use it herself later on in the video. If you wipe out on this paddleboard and if you fall off it, it's really easy to get back on. With this, you have the ability to stand up and use it as a stand-up paddleboard, and you could also sit on it and kneel and use the paddleboard as well, or you could even purchase a kayak paddle if you want to use it as a kayak and sit down as well and use it. I highly recommend these inflatable paddle boards. I know it sounds kind of crazy to have something that's inflatable, but it is extremely sturdy, it's tough, and we didn't have any problem with inflating it using the pump that came with it. The compression pump that comes with it plugs right into the car adapter, and it doesn't take too long to fill up the pump. You can inflate it, and you can also deflate the paddleboard using the pump that comes with it. I do want to mention that the bag that comes with the paddleboard is very durable. There are actually 2 straps on it, so that way you can carry it around like a backpack. It also has some additional pockets on the side that are very handy as well. Here in the video, you can see the attachments for the electric pump, so that way if you want to use this pump with a different paddleboard that has a different nozzle attachment, you can. So I have my own paddleboard that doesn't have a electric pump, and I'm actually able to use this electric pump with it as well, so when we go out I can blow up both the paddleboards at the same time. So here in the rest of the video, you're going to watch us blow up the stand-up paddleboard, and you'll see us take it out to sea. My girlfriend will carry it into the water, and she's actually able to carry it pretty easily. And you'll watch us take it down and deflate it and also clean it off. It's definitely recommended to clean this off to make sure no bacteria grows on it and to make sure that it doesn't mildew or mold. But overall, this was a really great purchase. I would definitely recommend this to anyone that's thinking about looking into doing stand-up paddleboarding.
It looks full, but it's not.
There we go. Okay, so now to deflate this, swap it to the deflate side.